so that's the beginning of Houses of the Holy by Led Zeppelin off Physical Graffiti. So we're going to come in on the and of the 1, so it's like 3, 4, 1. Okay, so 1 and is where you pop in, and we're going to go 3 on the A string with 2 on the D string, into the 4 and the 2 there, into the power chord A, open and 2. So it's 3 and 2 to 4 and 2 to open and 2. And then you hit the power chord twice more, so it's 1. So you do it again, and then you go, this is an A6 chord, so we have the 2, 2, 2, and 2. And later on, you'll do an octave of that, way down at the end of the song. So if you hear that high one, it's up there on the 14th fret, those same 4 top strings. Okay, so 3, 4, 1. So that third one, we got bump, bump, ba bump. So we have a couple quick ones in there. Okay, so let's try it again. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now this time we go A to E. So that was after that third one where we had A to E. And then we're gonna go a couple different ways to do this. There's 2 different guitar parts. One's going 4 on the A to 2 on the D, and then D sus, 0, 2, 3, 3 to a D, and then a G with the D bass. So open 4, 3, 3, back to the D, and then A to the E. So we got same thing. So on that fourth one, we're going to do the stop on the A and then go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Quick to the A right there. So once again, it ended with. We're right back into that riff. Okay, so there's our first cool fill here in the A major pentatonic scale. We got bending up on the 4 and the G string. Pull it off to the 2, and then 2 pull-offs. Same pull-off on the D string there to the A, and you're back into your riff. So. Okay, now the second guitar part on that thing with the chord changes is going to go up here to this G, open 7, 8, 7. It's going to go, and that's a D chord there. We got D string, 7, 7, and 5. So we got that G with the D down to regular D. Then that last one. Okay, so this one's gonna go same bend, and then little 2. 5 to 2 pull off on the second, 4 to 2 on the third, down to the 4 in the D. So we get to that 4 in the D, we go pull off again, F sharp note, back to the A there. So we got. Okay, and there's a fill each time you go through a verse. So we get in the next part, we go. Or the. Okay, so that one's gonna go. Then little 2, 5 2, 4 2, and it just ends with a pull off there. Okay, so it's the same type of stuff going on. Later on, you got a fill that goes. So it starts a lot earlier than the others because it's a lot longer. So it's like somewhere in the measure before it would normally be. So you just kind of got to listen to see where it's placed. But we're going to have the bend. You got the little 2, the pull off, and the 5-2 again. 4-2 to 4. So we have a pull off, back to the 4, and then 2 on the G, 4 to 2 on the D, down to 4 in the A. So, and then we go 2, 4, 2 in the D, 4 to open. Okay, so same type of stuff. We got a fill at the end. It's gonna go a little bit more basic. So to the 2 and then 2 pull-offs, 4 in the D. So it's okay, and the solo is gonna be over the same A section. It doesn't really do that. Doesn't do those fast ones. And then you're back to all that. Okay, so let's take a review of everything. Let's try to do this riff together. So it comes in after the 1. So it's like 1 and you hit right there. So 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that was like, that's how I do it. A to E, and then we got those changes. You could also have that lead in phrase there. And like I said, we got the higher chords. We got 3, 4. And of course the last one when you go stop. Okay, so that's about it for Houses of the Holy by Led Zeppelin. I'm going to have more stuff from Physical Graffiti coming soon, like the Wanton song and Fool in the Rain, so look out for those. Got a tab with this. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon.